Hello everyone. A warm welcome to all the viewers out there. Today we're going to walk through the process of creating a Facebook account. In this digital age, having a Facebook account is almost as essential as having a mobile phone. It's a platform that connects millions globally, helping you to keep in touch with family, friends, and the world. It's your doorway to a global community. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the process of creating a Facebook account. The first step in creating a Facebook account is to navigate to the Facebook homepage. This can be done easily using any web browser of your choice. Simply type Facebook into your search engine and click on the first result that pops up. Now you'll see a Create New Account button right there on the homepage. Click on it to start the sign-up process. You'll be asked for a few pieces of information. This includes your full name, a mobile number or email address, and a password. Choose a password that's unique and secure, something that's not easily guessable. Next, you're going to input your birthday. This helps Facebook keep your account secure and ensure you're old enough to use their platform. Lastly, you'll need to select your gender. Once you've filled out the form, click on the Sign Up button. You're now one step closer to having your own Facebook account. The next step is confirming your account. Facebook needs to verify that your email address or phone number is valid. So, how does this work? It's quite straightforward. After you enter your details, Facebook will send a verification code to your chosen method of contact, either your email address or phone number. Now you're going to want to keep an eye out for this code. If you chose email, it will land in your inbox, and if it's not there, check your spam or junk folder. If you provided your phone number, you'll receive a text message. Once you've got the code, it's time to go back to Facebook. Look for a field that says, Enter Code or something similar. This is where you'll key in the verification code you received. Upon entering the code, your account gets verified. You're almost there. The final step in creating your Facebook account is customizing your profile. Think of your profile as your personal canvas, where you can express your personality and interests. First things first, let's add a profile picture. This is the first image people will see when they visit your page. It could be a photo of you, your pet, or anything that represents you. Next up, we have the cover photo. This larger image sits at the top of your profile and sets the tone for your entire page. Now don't forget to fill out the About section. Here you can share details about your work, education, hometown, and more. Lastly, it's time to start adding friends. Look for people you know by typing their names into the search bar and send them a friend request. And voila! You now have your very own Facebook account. Customize it to reflect your personality and start connecting with friends and family all over the world. Let's quickly recap the steps for creating a Facebook account. We began by heading over to the Facebook homepage. Next, we navigated through the sign-up form, filling in all the necessary details. After that, we confirmed the account via email or text message. The final step was making the profile our own by adding a personal touch. And that's it. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide was helpful and wish you the best on your Facebook journey.